Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Pra, a journey towards Sehat or Swat. Today's topic, hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism is a condition in which there is overproduction of thyroxine hormone. On the contrary to hypothyroidism, in this condition, the basal metabolism increases, leading to hypermetabolic state. Being in hypermetabolic state, many changes occurs in the body, such as heart rate increases, blood pressure increases, hand tremors, increase in sweating, weight loss, frequent bowel movements, and in women, irregular menstrual cycles. A variety of conditions can cause hyperthyroidism. One of the most common cause is Graves' disease. It is an autoimmune disorder. Other causes include excess iodine intake, inflammation of the thyroid gland, tumors of the ovaries or testes, benign tumors of the thyroid. Treatment of this condition is a combination of medication and dietary changes. In this condition, bone becomes weak and thin. So, there is a focus on vitamin D and calcium intake. Foods to be included are non-iodized salt, coffee or tea, egg whites, fresh fruits, unsalted nuts, breads without salt, cruciferous vegetable, iron-rich foods, seeds, calcium and vitamin D rich foods, turmeric, green chilies, black pepper. Foods to be avoided are iodine-rich foods such as seafoods, milk and dairy, cheese, egg yolks, iodized salt, limit soya foods and processed foods. As I said, vitamin D and calcium are the most important vitamin and mineral in this condition. But there is a limitation for milk and dairy products. So, supplementation of these vitamins and minerals is important. The best possible exercise to overcome hyperthyroidism is water aerobics, meaning water exercises like walking and jogging in water. Yoga is another way to reduce stress and it also supports well-being. It is a must to talk to your doctor or a dietitian about making short-term and long-term dietary changes to have a balanced lifestyle and to improve your health and wellness. That's all for today's topic, hyperthyroidism. If you have any queries or you want any information regarding this topic, you can contact me on my email address. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, keep watching. Thank you.